is one of the most fascinating tours here in Vancouver. I've had the opportunity to meet so many wonderful people through the cross-cultural walking tour. Really, it just brings perspective and it brings diversity to my life.
It was so rewarding for all our directors and volunteers to be able to be part of such an amazing community collaboration.
My family moved to Strathcona when I was 10 years old, and I spent my formative years there, walking the streets and alleys of Strathcona and Chinatown. The cross-cultural walking tour is a wonderful way to bring the history of the area to life, and I recommend it to anyone with an interest in Vancouver's history.
History's rich, profound, troubled, sad, suffering, discrimination, but also histories with so much joy and immeasurable contributions to our Strathcona area.
Gives us a chance to highlight the richness and diversity of the Strathcona and the downtown east side neighborhoods. Also a wonderful opportunity to engage with community members and with my colleagues in the Heritage Center.
It's a celebration of the unique and rich history of the many different ethnic groups who overcame hardships in giving this neighborhood the character it has today. Each year, we look forward to using this as an opportunity to reflect and give thanks as we continue to bridge communities and cultures for generations to come.
Invites you to get together and to come together. And we are so proud and so honored to be a part of it.
It was definitely a meaningful experience to me, as I personally got to learn more about Vancouver's Jewish community. The history actually went way further back than I knew, and that was a really rich learning experience for me.
And something else that was really meaningful about it was just getting to learn about all of the different peoples and cultures who have lived in Strathcona in such a small area, and whether their reasons for needing to live there were positive or negative, and that there's so much to learn about it and from it.
We're good people down here. There's a big change with the community, and that I'm really happy to be living in downtown Eastside. Where I'm at today, I can see a future for myself.
If you're like me, then you're very interested in stories and in histories. I think it's really important that we learn as much as we can about all of these histories and all of the forces that shaped this place. If we want to understand ourselves and understand our city and make a more equitable and just a better place to live.
It's the premier tour around the city. It takes you around all the major boroughs and interweaves the history and cultures of the community by people who are part of the communities that you are entering. It's pretty cool. You'll get to see things, learn things, hear things that you probably didn't even know about your own community. I think it's probably one of the most amazing things to do in the city, and you should be there.
We've been around since the inception of the group, and I just love being a part of the live tour in 2019. We brought the tour into our historic Musqueam classroom inside the Wong's building on Pender Street. We squeezed everyone into the tiny little tables and chairs for a snack break. And this was a glorious brown bag full of assorted goodies from the communities that participated. I also learned, interestingly enough, that in our Chinese school, the traditional readers that are used with pictures for children to learn to read Cantonese have a really similar design to the readers that are used in Hebrew school. So how cool is that? I want to offer up huge thanks to Carmel Tanaka for having the vision to begin the tour initiative and to lead us through 3 amazing years. And I just can't wait to be together in person and participate next year.